Since Blender 4, the Stroke Method menu is called up in Sculpt mode by pressing Alt+E. Curve Stroke Method works by holding Ctrl and right mouse button clicking to place points, or clicking and dragging for Bezier curves with handles. Press Enter to use the selected brush along the curve shape. Set the stroke direction to negative for a negative brush effect. Press A until the points of the curve become orange and then press X to delete them. In combination with the pinch brush, this stroke curve method can be useful in hard surface work. The line stroke method and mask brush are a powerful combination for making angular shapes. These can be filled with the lasso mask brush. To fine-tune, you can use the mask brush with line stroke method while holding Ctrl. These masks can then be extruded or extracted to new geo. If you like this tip, definitely check out my hard surface sculpting in Blender video course.